So let's welcome Sushma Patil from Pune, who's a founder of Yogalina and doing wonderful activities over there. So let's listen from her about herself, her career, and as a founder of Yogalina. So Sushma, please tell us about yourself and your organization.
Okay. Hello, everyone. This is Sushma Patil from Pune. I run an organization called Yogalina. I'm a founder. And there are a number of people associated with me who work as a volunteer. And yes, my younger sister assists me. She works as a co-founder. Actually, this meeting was lined up with her, but due to some meeting issue, she is not available. So I'm here to answer a few questions and share my experiences over here. As far as Yogalina is concerned, we started this from 1st March 2017. 2017. So previously, Yogalina was known as Universal Truth, where we used to conduct a lot of awareness programs. We have covered a lot of police departments from Pune, PMT department, and then fire brigade, colleges, schools, all these things. Initially, we used to do awareness for meditation and yoga. Now it's a very crucial, as we all know, because of COVID. But yes, we believe that yoga and meditation can transform you in each and every aspect of your life. It's not only about physics or your mentality or finance. Yoga and meditation can work on each and every issue of yours. That is what I believe, or that is what I have experienced myself. As far as my experience is concerned, you won't believe my weight was more than 85. So I was really struggling to reduce my weight. I've been to a lot of gyms, gymnasium. I won't take the reputed name, but I was not able to reduce my weight by some reasons. Then one day my mom said me that you do yoga and meditation also. Why don't you try it? I said, okay, fine, I will try it. And I decided to focus on yoga and meditation. The best part was I reduced my weight, but I took it near about 1.5 years to reduce my weight. I reduced more than 18 kg. But the good condition is, and the best point of yoga and meditation is, I am not in the position to do kriyas as I used to do because of my busy schedule. I normally work out for only 45 minutes. Okay. But still, I have not put on the weight. My baby is just 2 years now. Still, I have not put on the weight. That is the best part. Apart from this, yes, yoga and meditation has changed me totally. My success story, to be very frank, I was struggling to. Yeah.
Just I want to ask you one more thing. What motivates you to?
Yeah, I was just sharing the same.
Yoga. Yeah, please tell us.
I was supposed to share the same thing. See, being a woman to be a mother is a best blessing. It's the best thing. I was struggling for that from more than 8 years. I used to have a baby, but I used to face miscarriages. I have faced 4 miscarriages. Then one day I was into marketing. I was into corporate sales. I was looking after Maharashtra. So I was working with Birla Sun Life Insurance Company as a regional manager. But apart from all these things, I was not able to be a mother. So here is where the yoga and meditation has helped me a lot. They have taught me how I can accumulate my energy. How can I focus? How can I be concentrated for my motto? Actually, it's very easy for anyone, but for me, it was a very struggling point. I have quit my position for all these things, and then I had then only I was in the position to have my baby. When I have experienced all these things, I quit from my all businesses. I was looking after my 4 businesses. Now currently I have resigned from all my family business, and I only concentrate on Yogalina. That is what my motto is, because I just want to share my experience with each and every person, whether it's a woman or a man, doesn't make any difference. Whatever your mottos are, whatever your dreams are, that is what I normally ask people. Like, if you just pay 20 minutes, I'm not asking more, 20 to 25 minutes is enough for you to make a transformation. If you give a consistency or a commitment of only 3 months, see, there is a lot of difference which you will experience your own. Instead of me telling you anything, I would be really happy if someone comes and tell me, okay, Sushma, I have been doing all this thing and this is experience was, and that is what I'm looking forward from the people, that people should like meditate, yoga, and all these things. See, it is a COVID right now. I don't know, in coming years there will be a number of issues, but yes, if you meditate and if you do yoga, one thing is very much firm, that you are very much strong internally. There is not a single thing which will really make you or shake you. It will make you firm and strong. That is what I want to make people to know all this and make this as an experience, or make this as a dream of yours. That is what I'm expecting from people. That's it.
Great, great, superb. So tell us about this Yogalina success story. How you help police departments and other people. Please tell us about that.
Okay. Prior to this, I am also a social worker. I have been working for uplifting of the women and people, and also my network is quite good. So I approached one of the department for this particular program, where we have teaching these people for Kriya. We call it Kriya. You can say it yoga also, but as far as our language is concerned, we call it Kriya. So when the first session was at Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Police Station, these people were really very impressed. And the PSI, who was in authority at that time, he asked me to have these sessions on more level, like more department. And thus I got a number of references. Okay, this was one issue. Apart from this, then I got a call once from a PMT department. Like, we have heard that you do all these awareness programs. I said, yes, we do. Then they asked me that, can you do this program for us? So I said, okay, this is a gratitude from my organization for you, because these people keep on working for us 24/7. Like, see, we know this situation, but still the PMT people are working on road, police department is working on road, fire brigade is working on, even they have fear of COVID, but still they have a service towards our nation. So it is a gratitude from my company to these people. So thus we started doing one program, and then we got a number of references, and I'm really very happy that I have covered more than 5 departments, like police station, fire brigade, all this. Apart from it, Bharatiya Vidyapeeth, there is a college, engineering college, where we had our session. There are a number of NGOs from whom we have given these NGOs. Down the line, we have planning this month near about 4 to 5 NGOs. We are going to work for them. So this is how this started. I think further it will go forward a lot.
Very nice, great work, Sushma ji. बहुत अच्छा काम है. Very nice. So any message you would like to give to our audience?
Yes, very much. See, योगा और मेडिटेशन ये तो बहुत बड़ी बात है, ये आपको करना ही चाहिए. दूसरा मैसेज मेरा ये है, सी एज आई टोल्ड कि मेरे ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में 3 मिशन है. एक है योगा, मेडिटेशन, और दूसरा है ट्री प्लांटिंग. ये हम जो भी क्लासेस लेते हैं या जो भी कोर्सेज करते हैं,
प्लीज स्पीक इन इंग्लिश बिकॉज़ दिस इज
okay. See, what we do normally. I told you about my social work. Apart from this, there are a number of courses which are designed for people where we charge. We charge people. The funds which are raised from these particular courses and Kriya, we use all these funds for only tree planting. That is my second motto.